Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to summarize conversations with AI in Slack so you can cut through the noise and get instant recaps using the built-in Slack AI features. Step 1. Locate the Summarize icon. You can summarize almost anything in Slack, from a single long-winded thread to an entire channel's worth of activity. Open the specific channel, direct message, or thread you want to catch up on. Look for the Summarize icon, which looks like a small sparkle or star at the top right of the conversation window. If you're summarizing a channel or DM on a desktop, you can also find this by clicking the three dots icon in the header and selecting Summarize. Step 2. Define your time frame. Slack AI is highly flexible, allowing you to choose exactly how far back you want to look so you don't get overwhelmed with old data. Once you click Summarize, a menu will ask for a range. You can select unread messages if you just stepped away for a coffee, last 7 days if you're returning from a weekend, or a custom range for specific project dates. This is crucial for precision. By setting a custom range, the AI ignores irrelevant chatter from weeks ago and focuses only on the specific window where the work happened. Step 3. Review and verify citations. The best part of Slack AI is that it doesn't just guess, it shows its work, so you can trust the summary. Wait a few seconds for the AI to generate a bulleted list of key decisions, updates, and action items. Look for the numbered citations like 1 or 2 next to the bullet points. You can hover over these to see a preview of the original message, or click them to jump directly to that spot in the chat history. This ensures that if a decision looks off, you can verify the exact context immediately. If you have high-volume channels that you don't need to check every hour, go to the Recap tab in your sidebar. You can mute those channels and have Slack AI deliver one organized summary to you every morning instead. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.